What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Gmail as a communication channel on Wix. To do that, go ahead and click the settings on the lower left hand side. Scroll all the way down guys towards the bottom and you will find a section for communication and a notification. From here, click on communication channels, and within the list, you should have Gmail there as an example, and you are able to click on setup. So you click on setup, and from here you will see that it will take you over to the section where you can connect your Gmail. So you want to go ahead and click on connect right here. As you can see, the status right here shows as not connect, and you can click on connect, then click on continue with Gmail or Google account there. Select the account right there and you will see that it connects. You click on continue right there, and of course allow it, and scroll down, click continue, follow the steps to connect it, and you will see right away that it's connected. And that's how you can set up your Google account as a communication channel on your Wix website. Very easy and very simple. Now, I want to mention to you that once you connect this, you can always go to manage apps or go to inbox. You click on that and it's going to take you over to the inbox right here, as you can see. And this would be the inbox, right? Let me go back right here as well. Let me go ahead and close a sidebar. Here is the inbox, as you can see. I will just go back, and you saw that you're able to manage apps as well. So under the general settings section, you will have the option as well to click on that. So here you can see manage, you can click on that. And here you can see manage apps as well at the top. So you can click on that as well. And here you're able to manage apps, right? So you have more apps here that you can add to kind of like enhance your experience within Wix as well. But here you can see, but that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. That's how you can easily go ahead and set up your Google account as a communication channel on Wix.